welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious egg fried rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start here with the rice. This is a 2-day-old rice. Yes, every time I have leftovers of rice, I put it in a Ziploc bag and I put it in the refrigerator. And today I decided to make this amazing egg fried rice with very few ingredients and with ingredients that you might already have in your pantry. Let me start by telling you, once you make this amazing egg fried rice, you're going to love it. Make sure that you add your garlic clove and you wake them up by smashing them first and then dicing them really good. The garlic needs to be nice and diced so that it really releases all the amazing flavor. Once this is done, I'm going to transfer it to a plate and I'm going to continue with 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to dice it really good, making sure that it's nice and chopped, and then adding it to the same plate where I have my garlic. Now I am going to continue by cracking my 4 eggs. Let me tell you, this egg fried rice really comes out delicious. You're going to love it. And here, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and then I'm ready to mix and fluffy. Make this mixture nice and fluffy, nice and airy. And then I am ready to put it aside and continue with my green onions. I am going to take the stems and then start slicing away nice and thin. And this really doesn't take too long. I'm only using the green portion of the green onion. I'm going to reserve the rest. And now transferring to a plate, and let me show you. I have everything ready to make this amazing egg fried rice. Look at this. Of course, don't forget you need to have everything ready. Look, I have the scallions, I have the onion, the garlic, the veggies, the sesame oil, the rice, the egg, and of course, the low sodium soy sauce. And now in the pan, I'm going to add a splash of vegetable oil. Once it's nice and hot, I am going to start by adding the egg. Make sure that the oil is nice and hot so that your scrambled eggs really cook really fast. This doesn't take too long. Make sure that you're moving it around to get it nice and fluffy. Look at this. You want to make sure that the egg is really nice and fluffy, and then you're going to remove it and put it on a plate so that you could continue making and cooking the rest of the ingredients. Let me tell you, once you make this egg fried rice, you're really going to love it. And if you love rice like I do, well, let me tell you, you're going to fall in love with this egg fried rice. Once it's nice and fluffy, now I'm ready to remove and transfer it to a plate. In the same pan, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm going to start cooking the garlic and the onion. And this is really not going to take too long. You're going to cook it until you start smelling the aroma of the garlic and the onion. Once you could really smell those 2 ingredients, you're going to add your veggies. Incorporate them really good. Cook them for about 2 minutes, and then you're ready to add your rice. I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to incorporate it really good. Once it's nice and incorporated, I'm going to add the fluffy egg right on the top. I'm going to really incorporate it. And now I'm ready to add 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil. The sesame oil really makes the trick, really makes it so delicious. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to incorporate really good all the ingredients. Look at this. Make sure that the egg is all over the place and it's well incorporated into the rice. Once this is done, I am ready to add the green onion sliced right on the top. Let me tell you, if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Because only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. Cook it for about 1 or 2 minutes and then you're ready to enjoy. Yes, when I say you're ready to enjoy, look at this. This looks amazing and it's going to taste delicious. Now that this is ready, I am ready to plate it and I am going to show you how I make those large and small little circles with my rice. Well, let's not play around. Let's start making and preparing the presentation plate. Here I'm going to start adding all the rice. I'm going to pack it in really good. And this is where the magic comes in. When you see those large or small little circles of rice and you say, oh my God, this looks like restaurant style. Well, you could make it at home. You can make it at home and your family is really going to enjoy this amazing and delicious egg fried rice. Look at this. Add a little bit of the green onion on the top and you're ready to go. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing egg fried rice. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of sesame seeds right on the top. I'm going to add my famous chili oil that you already have on my channel. And this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Oh my God. So delicious. Let me tell you, all these flavors in rice, just perfect. The egg is so fluffy and delicious and really absorbed all the ingredients. Amazing. If you love rice like I love rice, you're going to love this egg fried rice. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious egg fried rice. See you soon. Bye-bye.